How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Salem 34 Veranda. Up front here you do have a little bit of exterior storage, but we're going to see why it is called the veranda in just one second. Let's check out the camp side of this travel trailer first. So you have a massive awning, nice dual entry, solid steps underneath the main entry, and then check out this deck area. We'll get on the inside so you can take a closer look, but oh my gosh, craziness. Okay, let's take a step on the inside of this travel trailer, and we're going to start with the kitchen area first. So right when you first walk in, you're going to find your 3-burner cooktop. You also have your single basin sink, little pull-out trash can on the end, as well as your microwave up above. And then one slide out on this travel trailer altogether. In this specific slide out, you're going to find your fridge, your pantry. You also have a little pull-out pantry right here, which is nice. It does pull out all the way. But then this pantry, nice and deep. As far as a place to sit and eat, you do have a little kitchen island action. Comes with 4 bar stools. And then in your living room area, you have an L-shaped sectional. This guy does turn into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. Across from that, you're going to find your entertainment center. You have a smart TV, a couple of shelves on the right there, and then a huge fireplace. Going into our veranda or deck area, you have a sliding glass door, very fancy. We're going to check this guy out. You have a sink, and then down below, you have a fridge to keep your drinks cold. Nice big oversized griddle. And if I take a step back, you can see just how cool this awning is, or just how cool this deck area is. It's 9 feet altogether. It's just crazy that they can put that on a travel trailer now. Imagine chilling out there. Come on, guys. All right, we're going to keep moving into the slide out. Here you have 2 bunks, windows on either side, of course. And then on the feet area, you have some cubby area so that you can maybe store some books or whatever the kids are bringing camping these days. Across from that, you're going to find your bathroom. So you have a curved mirror, really good looking bathroom. You have your sink, a little bit of a storage there, toilet down below, and then your shower with your skylight. At the very front, you're going to find your main bedroom. This is going to be a king size bed. It is on a Versatilt to give you a little bit of extra leg room up in here. On the right hand side, you do have pet steps in case those furry friends would like to go camping with you. And then across from the bed, you have a walk-in closet or washer and dryer prep. Totally up to you. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Salem 34 Veranda. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And eat, you do have a little kitchen island action. Comes with 4 bar stools. And then in your living room area, you have an L-shaped sectional.